Hey everybody, this is a quick video about how to look up what you got right or wrong on a quiz or test, or how you did on the assignment, any feedback. So once you go to our class website, there's two places you're going to go to look for this. The first one that you like to click on is grades. This is going to give you most of our feedback. So once we click there, you'll see it'll give you your total points, your average. It'll tell you what you got on each assignment and how many points it was worth. And then you'll see individual feedback for your discussion posts, your big assignments. But for whatever reason, I can't get the feedback for quizzes to show up here in general, so I'm going to show you how to find that as well. To do that, let's go back to our main page. So back on the main page here, we're going to go to this button right here called Progress. And usually I tell you just ignore the Progress button because this doesn't tell you your grade for the class. You don't have to have 100% progress or anything like that. This is usually not that important, but it is helpful to find some information. So let's click on that button. When we do, we'll see that it comes up like this. It has a summary of our stuff. It has grades, content, assignments, quizzes, a bunch of like how you did, what you got complete on this stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the one that says quizzes because we want to look at how we did on a quiz and what was right and wrong. So we click on quizzes, and you'll see two quizzes so far. Unit 3 test and the infographic quiz. Of course, right now we're looking at the Unit 3 test, so we're going to click on that. And when we do, it'll open, we're going to click on the details, the little caret right here, and it's going to drop down our 2 attempts. If you've taken it once, you'll see 1 attempt. If you've taken it twice, you'll see 2 attempts. And you can click on that attempt, and it will take you to a view of the test with the right and wrong answers. So let's click on that and let's go see what we got there. Alright, so it opened up the test itself. It tells you when you took it, it tells you when it was released, and you can look at the test there. And when you scroll down, you'll see that, oh, hang on. I needed to resize my screen there. It'll tell you that this is the answer that you put, but it was wrong. This was the correct answer. If you put here, it would give you another arrow and you'd see that that was the right one. And so you can see what the question was and whether you got it right or wrong and why. Then if you click on view feedback there, you'll be able to see this. You'll see that it gives you a little feedback here. It says incorrect, check tone again. So this means you need to make sure you understand what tone is, make sure you're able to identify tone in that section because you'll notice all these have to do with tone. So that's just a little bit of feedback for the question if you're unsure of what to be reviewing and what to do to make sure you're getting that right. So again, let's go through that real quick so you can see the whole process. And again, we're going to go to the Progress button. Once we click there, we're going to go down to Quizzes. Then we're going to select the Details button. We'll select the attempt that we want to see. Then we'll have a copy of the test or quiz. We can scroll down to the questions, see if it's right or wrong, click on the view feedback, and that'll show your feedback. Last comment is if you're doing this and you see it doesn't show, allow you to look at your attempts, it won't tell you how you did here, double check with me. I might have it not visible yet for different reasons, so just let me know if that's not working. But otherwise, that is how you're going to check out how you did on a quiz and do some improvement. Thanks so much. Bye.